Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Let's check your weather on the 4s here with meteorologist Cesar Cornejo. You know, Cesar, we had all that rain yesterday, and now we're all kind of worried. How long is that going to last? Is it going to dry out? What are you seeing out there this morning?
Well, Brian, I'm seeing that we're already starting to dry out. We don't really see much in the way of cloud cover this morning. We continue to stay under very clear skies, and that's going to be a trend that continues for us. So we'll see a much calmer day ahead. It is going to be a lot drier, not just today, but going throughout the rest of the middle of the week. And then smoke starts to return possibly, as we'll see with futurecast smoke. And we'll see that also winds begin to blow in because of a cold front, and that should help at least alleviate some of the smoke that we see a little bit later on in the middle of the week. So right now here in Southern Utah University, in Cedar City through our Southern Utah University camera network, can expect to see a little bit of haze hanging around just some of the mountains. Not really seeing much else. It's very light in general, but it continues to thicken as we expect to see westerly winds still pick up because of this high pressure sitting over top of parts of Southern California, over by Arizona and Las Vegas. So that's going to bring in westerly winds, not only just clear and drier conditions, but also some smoke hanging around. We're also seeing that temperatures are more or less on the mild side for quite a few of us. We're seeing temperatures ranging around the 60s around the Wasatch Front, even a little bit of the 50s going over towards Logan, Evanston, Elko, Ely. Look at that. It is a nice cooler morning for us. We're even seeing 79 degrees in St. George. But that's not going to last for long. We're expecting to warm right back up into the triple digits and even parts of the 90s. Look at that. We have warmer conditions ahead because of that high pressure system. It's going to boost some of that warmer air into our area, but we do remain on the dry side, so flash flood potential is not expected in any of our parks in southern or southeastern Utah. So as we take a look at Futurecast Smoke Tracker, look at that. We expect to see that it is moving in towards the evening time where it can get towards a little bit more of the moderate side. So we expect to see smoke pick up because of that high pressure system throughout today. Again, tomorrow it will shift and meander a little more east, meaning that we see an increase in temperatures again under all of that sunshine. And then by Thursday, we start to see that it is also still continuing over towards the New Mexico border, but we start to see the makings of that little cold front. Brings in a little bit of cloud cover and some slightly cooler temperatures. Hopefully that'll also clear out our smoke that we expect to see. And looking at the recreation forecast for a few areas in the next few days, we're going to see temperatures ranging very mildly and right around average, and plenty of sunshine. Looking at the regional forecast, we're expecting to see that temperatures range around the 80s, 90s, and that lone one triple digit over in St. George at 104, but that's going to be the trend that we continue to see. Again, seeing some winds pick up by the end of the work week. Wasatch Front, we continue to also see that we slowly increase in temperatures and even get a little bit windy for Friday and even continuing into Saturday. Looking at